Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is June 23rd, 2013. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market broke down. It's now in correction. Short-term bounce is possible due to the technical oversold. However, those short-term bounce is very dangerous to play on the long side. My plan is to stay out of the long stocks, continue watch leading stocks and the market indices, and build a watch list of relatively strong stocks. Let's take a look at the market index. DAX, it's breaking down 50-day moving average. It's heading into 200-day moving average. That's a German index. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index had been in a downtrend and it's just falling deeper. Nasdaq index is now breaking 50-day moving average and with a pretty high volume. And Friday it's huge volume. And this is very dangerous, had been making lower highs and lower lows. Nasdaq monthly chart from long term, Nasdaq is still in the uptrend. So right now it's a correction from the long term uptrend. It is not in the downtrend yet. Mid cap index is falling below 50-day moving average, making lower highs and lower lows. Pretty high volume, very bad. Russell 2000 small cap, it's relatively strong compared with other indices. However, it's heading down. SP 500 index is also fall below 50-day moving average. SP 500 index monthly chart, long term is still in the uptrend. So the current correction, this is a correction in the long term uptrend. It's not a downtrend. Gold monthly chart, gold has entered the long term downtrend. Gold daily chart is in a downtrend. Silver is in a downtrend. US dollar rebounded last week. Now it's hitting the 50-day moving average. Crude oil rolling over. GDX is a gold mining stock index is going down. IYR is a US real estate index ETF. It's rolling down from the previous uptrend. Right now has already broke a 40-week support level, so it's going down. IYR had a fall down pretty quick, sliced through 50-day moving average and had a little bit support on 200-day moving average, and then last week it sliced through 200-day moving average. So it's a very strong sold off, being sold heavily by institution. SMH is a semiconductor is rolling over again. XLF also rolling over. Let's take a look at the leading stocks that's still holding up. And this list has become shorter and shorter. And those are stock has a strong fundamental and has not broke major support level. Cisco and Tesla and VRX, those are the ones. Not a whole lot. Let's take a look at them. CBOE is still in the uptrend. Cisco is in the uptrend, not being sold yet. FLT is still in the uptrend, and Friday it's undercut 50-day moving average, but volume is high, but the close on the upper half of the daily range. So that's a strong support indication of the strong support by institution. GIMCR is still in the uptrend. GNC is in the uptrend. Google is still in the uptrend. However, the recent high did not surpass the previous high, so that's a bad sign. LAD in the uptrend. LGF in the uptrend. NFLX is also in the uptrend. However, we have to watch the 50-day moving average closely. If it breaks down 50-day moving average, that will be a bad sign. SNTS is in uptrend. Solar, SunPower, this is a solar stock. It's in uptrend, but did not surpass previous high, so that's dangerous. Tesla is in the uptrend. However, this recent high also did not surpass previous high, so we have to watch this closely. Tesla has been holding up 20-day moving average from this run up, so we need to closely watch this pink line, the 20-day moving average. VRX in the uptrend, WWW in the uptrend. Now let's look at some of the stock that's breaking down, and those are stocks being sold heavily by the institution. I'm holding Apple, etc. And anything related to the housing, home building, loan, and all that. All those stocks are breaking down right now. Let's look at the breaking down stocks. Apple has been in a downtrend for a long time. Now it just continues its downtrend. ACT is very dangerous right now, even though this has not broke down yet, but this did not make the previous high. So we have to watch for 118 support level. If it break that support level, it may head to 50-day moving average. AL has been broken down. Alaska Airlines broke down. I'm holding slice through 50-day and then slice through 200-day. It didn't even meet any support. It just keep going down. Home away is living below 50-day moving average. BEN going down. CELG is also going down. It's below 50-day. 3D printing, this is a tricky point. It may have a support here and go back up. It may fall over. Who knows? We have to watch for next one. See if it can hold 50-day moving average. If it holds, then it has a hope. If it does not hold 50-day moving average and came down, that's a downtrend. FSLR downtrend. Gilead Science is going down now. HCI, and it's also very dangerous. It's trying to hold 50-day moving average. This is a tricky point. If it can hold, then it can go up. If it doesn't hold, it's going down. HD, fall below 50-day moving average, going down. Lumber liquidator fall below 50-day moving average and going down. LinkedIn now is back below 50-day moving average. LinkedIn is in the base building stage. Lululemon, this is a very typical stock. It was in the uptrend and all of a sudden, out of blue, and it suddenly gapped down with a huge volume. That is a very dangerous sign. I mean, you have to run. This stock, you can never long this kind of stock because it just keep going down. MCO is going down. MDCO below 50-day going down. MELI also fall below 50-day going down. Mellanox going down. NSM going down. OCN, it's hitting 50-day. It's very dangerous. OII is also right at the 50-day moving average and very dangerous. RAX has been in a downtrend for a while. REGN is falling below 50-day. RYL is below 50-day now. It's a funding support and a 200-day. SSYS, it's rolling over. TIBX is in a downtrend for a long time. URI, it's rolling over. WETF is rolling over. So, what to do in this market? Stay defensive. Use the stop order for protection. Get out if the stock or ETF drop below the support level. Do not enter new long positions. You may consider short, and if you know how to short stock. And stay very flexible and stay in sync with the market. That's all for this week. See you next week.